Happy Monday, guys. I hope your weekend was good. I know it's kind of crazy just to start us back off, but we are going to today look at John chapter 2, verses 13 through 25. I'm going to read it for us in just a second from the English Standard Version, and I know I have it printed on the PowerPoint in the NIV, but what I'm asking you to do is spend some time just thinking about it. So I want to read it and make a few comments and just encourage you as you look through this passage. Just think of ways that God is speaking to you. What are some things that Jesus is saying as John records this for us? So here we go. Starting in verse 13. The Passover of the Jews was at hand, and Jesus went up to Jerusalem. In the temple he found those who were selling oxen and sheep and pigeons, and the money changers sitting there. And making a whip out of cords, he drove them all out of the temple with the sheep and oxen. And he poured out the coins of the money changers and overturned their tables. And he told those who sold the pigeons, "Take these things away. Do not make my Father's house a house of trade." His disciples remembered that it was written, "Zeal for your house will consume me." So the Jews said to him, "What sign do you show us for doing these things?" Jesus answered them, "Destroy this temple, and in 3 days I will raise it up." The Jews then said, "It has taken 46 years to build this temple, and you will raise it up in 3 days?" But he was speaking about the temple of his body. When therefore he was raised from the dead, his disciples remembered that he had said this, and they believed the scripture and the word that Jesus had spoken. Now when he was in Jerusalem at the Passover feast, many believed in his name when they saw the signs that he was doing. But Jesus on his part did not entrust himself to them, because he knew all people, and needed no one to bear witness about man, for he himself knew what was in man. Interesting passage. The part that I'm drawn to is just a couple of places. One is where it talks about Jesus getting angry. And I wanted you to think, it's one of the questions is, doing a little research that I hope you guys do, is it okay for us to be angry? I know it speaks specifically about that. So I want you to think about the fact that Jesus was angry, but there was a very good reason, and process through what he did and why he did those things. It might surprise you. Maybe you haven't read this passage before. But there's so many things involved with what Jesus is doing is he is presenting himself as a sacrifice. We just celebrated Easter, the resurrection. And this is a part where Jesus is doing his ministry. John is different, is slightly different than the other Gospels in the way that he does things, in the way that he presents them and brings them to us. But I want you to spend a little bit of time with that. It also talks about the Jewish people, the Jewish leaders asking a lot of questions about Jesus saying about the temple being destroyed. Destroy this temple. He's talking about himself. And so I have some questions about that as well. But think about those things that he's saying and what it means to you. I hope this is exciting to you and encouraging, because it is to me. We're going to look at several other passages this week, in John. And you guys will have a chance to look at it as the week goes on. So, as always, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm praying for you guys. Have a great day, and looking forward to see your responses as you look at this passage. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.